How to share my location on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can share your location on iPhone. Whether it's for tracking with friends or family or finding your device if you lose it. First of all, head over to your settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on your ID banner. After that, you will see a Find My option. Tap on it. Once you tap on Find My option, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on as well as Share My Location button is toggled on. After you do so, head back to your home screen and search the Find My application. Tap on your Find My application. After that, tap on the People tab and choose Share My Location. Tapping on Share My Location or Start Sharing Location will get you to pick who you want to share your location with from your contacts. Next up, you can choose the time limit such as 1 hour until end of a day and then tap on Send. You can also share your location back and forth, select a contact in People tab and tap Ask to follow location or stop sharing my location at any time. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.